What the fuck am I even saying? What? No. Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna be doing a little unicorn type look. It's not really a gory, spooky Halloween look, but it is a Halloween look. So if you want to dress up as a unicorn and just make everything easy, then keep on watching. And also, I'm not going to be talking throughout this whole thing. I'm just going to be doing my makeup and quickly mentioning what products I use. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me do my makeup. Okay, now I'm going to put this Bare Mineral pigment in Wildflower. I'm going to put that all over my lids. And then I'm going to put over top of that this Stila Magnificent Metals in Ballet Baby. And I'm going to put that a little bit over top of that shadow. Now I'm going to put this Smolder Cosmetics pigment in Dazzling Rose Quartz, I think. Pretty sure that's what it's called. I'm going to put that on the inner corner, brow bone, cheekbones, everywhere else. I'm going to put this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Sugar Plum. And over top of that, I'm going to put this Maybelline Glitter Fix Glitter Lip Gloss in Wicked Tease. Okay, I am back. I put on some liquid liner. I smoked that out with this purple shadow. I also put that under my waterline. I also put on some NYX black liner on my waterline. I'm going to put some mascara, Maybelline Big Shot mascara, and some lashes. I'm going to do that off camera. These lashes are the Smooth Gal lashes in Fiona. I'll go do that stuff and I'll be right back. I'm going to put on this confetti glitter. And I'm going to put it all over my neck right here. I am going to put on some lash glue all over my neck. And first I'm going to get into a different shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. It means so much to me, and I will see you on the next video.